pushing or forcing anything. You have to bring the breath. Nice conscious breath. Keep the right hand where it is. Left fingertips release. We think up and over here as we come into a side body stretch. And again, if this is too much of a bind in the front body, just release the right hand to the ground, or maybe that just feels better for you today. Finding side body stretch here. Drop the chin down first. Lift up. Think about drawing energy up from the base of the pelvis. Start to lift up. Navel might draw in a little. Lift up. Lengthen through the spine. Using your exhale to soften slowly into the twist, not push. As you slowly travel up the spine, chest begins to lift, neck begins to lengthen, and we start to gently journey into the twist, using the breath to